Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Kyle Stumpenhorst. I'm the owner of RR Buildings, and we're here on site in Illinois where we just about wrapped up an exterior job for a client where we built them a home using LP SmartSide ExpertFinish Trim and Siding. So the first time I used LP SmartSide products was about 10 years ago. We had a job where we were attaching a building to an existing home that had the old wood siding look, and we wanted to match that, but we wanted to do something that was going to be a little bit less maintenance for the client, look very beautiful, and we used the LP SmartSide products. So when LP SmartSide ExpertFinish Trim and Siding came out, I was pretty happy, mainly because I'm not a painter, I don't do painting, and so being able to install a product, have it finished when we were done, really made me feel good. I wasn't relying on a subcontractor to come in and make my client happy. I could ensure that it looked good when I was leaving. So what I like about working with LP SmartSide ExpertFinish lap siding, there's a lot of benefits. One being the 16-foot lengths. It covers more area potentially if you're using it in a manner like we do, which is a lot of times long buildings. The less gaps that you have, the better. But also when you're talking about gaps, the ExpertFinish lap siding has a built-in lap on both ends of the panel, which is going to allow you to avoid needing a pan flashing. You don't need to caulk, and you don't have to do the H-clips, which I think gives it a better look, and it's an easier install for me as the builder, so that's a plus. With those longer lengths, you also potentially are going to have less waste because you're doing less cutting. So that's a big benefit because nobody likes doing cleanup. But overall, it's just a good product to work with, and once installed, it just looks really nice. I love working with ExpertFinish lap siding because of the durability also. It's one of those products that even being 16 foot long, it's engineered, it's lightweight, and I don't have to worry about it cracking or getting damaged personally because I can easily install it just myself. And that's a big deal when you're looking at efficiencies and cost. You know, it gives me a lot of confidence as a builder, not just that it's gonna look good, but I have the confidence with an industry-leading warranty, and that really makes me feel good and confident, and it's an easier install for me as the builder. So on the project behind me, we used a lot of products out of the ExpertFinish line. We've got ExpertFinish siding, we've got trims, a bunch of different size trims. We've even got their solid soffit, vented soffit, and we used some of the accessory J-blocks on some of our wall penetrations. So if I was gonna talk about my favorite ExpertFinish product, it would probably be the board and batten look. And we get that by using the vertical siding. And I love it because it's 16 foot long. We do a lot of tall walls, so it's an easy install. And then we cap it off with some nice LP trims, and it just looks beautiful. We've got great shadow lines, nice clean look. By far my favorite product. So I've talked a lot about the benefits of me using ExpertFinish and why I like it, but I think it's also a benefit if you're not the GC, if you're the one that's got to go out and hire a painter. It's one less contractor that you have to worry about. You get a good installer, and once it's installed, it's done. Saves time, saves money. I love it. Probably the greatest joy as the one doing the work is when you're able to leave the job site for maybe that last time, and you can turn around real quick when you're leaving in your truck and you get to see a finished product. And I get to see that because I'm using ExpertFinish. I know that it's done when I leave, and it's a really prideful moment, and probably something I will drive by for the next 20 years and say, hey kids, that's a house that we did right there, and that means a lot to me. So if you guys are looking for more information about the products we use on this house, the LP SmartSide ExpertFinish Trim and Siding, visit lpcorp.com.